A place 93 kilometers far from Bangalore has one of the most amazing and iconic viewpoints which will leave your jaw dropping. This beautiful place is not only a heaven for the bike riders and trekkers, but it has an important significance in one of the Indian mythological events, Samudra Manthan. It is believed that during the time of Samudra Manthan, the ocean yielded all kind of good and bad creatures, and one of the noble creation of the ocean was cow, which landed on this very place. Later, a large number of cows started coming here, which gave this place a name, Dhenugiri or Cow Hill. I always wanted to explore this place for a long time, and finally I got a chance to visit this beauty on 78th Independence Day of India. So join me on my Independence Day ride to explore this ancient marvel of India, Avala Betta.
आजा चेंज करेंगे उसको भी I guess there was some problem in the GoPro. I think I don't know, it's not working properly. I'm having cold. I don't know. Patna Mandikal. It's straight now. So recently I went to Garidam. That's called as the second Tirumala. I have posted a video on my Instagram, so if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please do that. I will leave the link in the description, so click it and follow me on Instagram. Avala Betta. Today is Saturday. There won't much crowd. Oh, huge number of people are coming down. Oh, a lot of devotees are there. Today is Saturday and the Shravan is going on. Okay guys, we have decided not to go. हाँ संडे आते, मंडे भी रश होता,
मंडे कम रहता,
कल भी कम रहता ना।
एक बार पूछ लेता हूँ लोकल।
और एक काम करते हैं, कल अर्ली मॉर्निंग ही आते। Okay guys, so we'll again come back tomorrow early morning. Hey everyone, very good morning once again. So we have restarted our ride to Avala Betta once again, and we hope that we don't get that much of crowd like we got yesterday. It was horrible yesterday. The reason was Shravan Mas. Every Saturday and Sunday, like locals, they go to that ancient temple, they worship, and because of that we got that much of crowd. So let's see if we can cover Avala Betta today. Let's go. So this will take you towards Gudibande Fort, and this left will take you towards Avala Betta. ಅವಲ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಒಪ್ಪೆನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಾ ఇది పార్కింగా 4 people. I don't know, I'm finding this area a little sketchy. Those people are asking you're alone. I just told that 4 more people are coming. Gate open chey. Gate open chey amma.
ఇది ఆఫ్ చేయి
Off illa. Live ah.
రికార్డింగ్ అయితే ఉంటుంది మేము మాట్లాడేదంతా రికార్డింగ్
పర్వాలేదు
వద్దు భయ్యా
అరే పర్వాలేదు
ఎవరు భయ్యా ఆఫీసర్లు వస్తే నన్ను బయటారు
की बाइक लेके जाते सर ना not sure. I have entered into the forest. Well, on that day I think the entry was not prohibited, but it's a reserve forest area. People are actually going up. One person was returning from there. I'm actually a little scared. Whether it was the right decision to come here or not, because the gate was locked. But that's all right. We'll see that later. The thing is this, who will walk this much distance? इतना चलने में हालत ख़राब हो जाएगी, वो भी अकेले. It's not that safe as well. I think this is the top. So right now we have to climb 100 steps. Oh god, I'm panting. This is the view right now. मैं बिल्कुल अकेला हूँ, कोई भी नहीं दिख रहा. चलो ऊपर चलते हैं. Let's go. So that's the temple. Once you'll take the stairs, this is the temple area. Come through this. This is the viewpoint that you'll get from here. But the main viewpoint is at the top, and make sure you leave your footprints there. There are a lot of monkeys, by the way. Okay, this is a little bit difficult. That's all right. Whew. Wow, this small pond here, and there are small fishes, you know, in the lake, sorry, in the pond. Okay, let's go at the most famous viewpoint of Aula Betta. पता नहीं मुझे बीक टॉप नहीं मिल रहा है, शायद उसके लिए और ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा maybe. I'm really not sure about it. So let's go and explore. Let's see what we can find there. Yep. ऐसे कुछ स्टिक्स साथ में लेके चलिए ताकि आप बंदरों से बच सकें, वरना आई गेस ये बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर्स में है यहाँ पर, और अगर आप अकेले आ रहे हैं तो डंडों की बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। चलिए देखते हैं टॉप पर क्या है। आई थिंक वो जो पहाड़ के टॉप है वो आधे क्लाउड्स में कवर्ड है। आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू गाइस कैन सी। Beautiful. So guys, this is one of the temple at the top. I think this is Lakshmi temple and Venkateshwar Swami temple is at the down. When I actually went on that point from there, I saw that the peak top was at the same place. We have to just walk little bit further and we'll reach at the destination. So we are again going down to go at that famous Aula Betta big viewpoint. There we have the peak top. We have to find a way to go there. Let's see if we can go. That's the main viewpoint. Finally we have found it. And this is a big boulder. From here the view is just amazing. Okay guys, I think this way will lead us towards that big viewpoint. Oh god, I'm literally tired. A little bit risky with bare feet. There are chances that you may get some snakes, but it's Devasthanam, can't help much. Hope we find that viewpoint. There it is, finally. Whoa, it's looking humongous. That's a huge stone. Guys, that's a big viewpoint, but the entry is prohibited by Karnataka Forest Department. It's very dangerous to go there, it seems. Can't help much, but that is one very beautiful viewpoint. Looking really amazing. but at the end all hard work went into vain. It's all futile. बहुत पसीना बहाया इस व्यू पॉइंट के लिए, बट फाइनली कोई रास्ता नहीं दिख रहा है। और मैं भी यही सजेस्ट करूँगा कि कहीं भी अगर इलीगल है एंट्री, बेहतर हो कि आप ना जाओ अपने कंटेंट के लिए, बिकॉज़ ऐसा करके आप बहुत सारे लीगल इश्यूज़ में फंस सकते हो, ख़ासकर जहाँ फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट इन्वॉल्व हो। तो बेहतर हो कि आप ऐसे रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एरिया से दूर रहो और अपने जान को ख़तरे में न डालो। सो विद अ वेरी हैवी हार्ट वी हैव टू जस्ट से वी आर डन फॉर द डे। आई एम नॉट श्योर वेयर आई विल बी गोइंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट राइड, बट देयर आर 2-3 places around Bangalore that we will be covering. Long rides we are just skipping for some months because of this landslides, as I have already mentioned earlier in the vlog. Lots of landslides and it's raining heavily here in South India, so it's better not to do any kind of trip. Recently, you know what happened in Wayanad. It was really bad. पूरा का पूरा गांव बह गया। सो बेहतर हो कि आप ऐसे किसी भी हिल स्टेशन जो साउथ इंडिया में है आप अभी ना जाओ। अक्टूबर नवंबर तक वेट करो, उसके बाद कुछ वेदर अच्छे हो जाएंगे तो फिर आप ट्रिप करना। सो दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम आवर एंड। विल बी मीटिंग यू गाइज इन आवर नेक्स्ट व्लॉग। टिल देन बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर, एंड प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू Jyotsna Shashank vlog। If you like the video, hit the like button and share this video as much as you can. Thank you for all your support. Bye bye and take care.
मलाल तो बहुत था इस खूबसूरत जगह के सबसे फेमस व्यू पॉइंट को ना देख पाने का, पर अपने हर बाइक राइड की तरह इस जगह पे आकर शहरों के भीड़ भाड़ से डिस्कनेक्ट होकर नेचर से कनेक्ट होकर बहुत खुश था मैं। अभी तक मैंने ये जाना कि अगर आप खुद से कनेक्ट होना चाहते हैं तो अपने घर से बाहर निकल के ऐसे शांत खूबसूरत वादियों में समय बिताने निकल जाया करें, क्योंकि कल का कुछ पता नहीं कि इंसान इन खूबसूरत जंगलों और वादियों को कब तक जिंदा रखेंगे।